See what walks past. Nothing in the area, just being bored. All these white people here stink. We'll see what goes down. Let's see. Think somebody coming? I don't know. Let's watch. Look at them. Look at them up in this store. I think some people. Here comes somebody. Here comes somebody. They ain't coming no more. They stop. Oh, here they come. They old. They old. Ugh. Here comes more people.
Now, are we buying this sandal for outside?
Notice that you didn't see no black people. I'm still tripping off each of them up in the store. Look at them. You better walk in and watch out there. That's gonna get mad now. She walks slow. Here comes some old white motherfuckers. Alicia! Look at these shoes she trying to show me. She think I like heels. Look at them. Just because I won my graduation doesn't mean I like them. Look at this lady man. Let's go. You want to go check out? Let's go check out the shoes. Come on. Here we go. I guess. These shoes in here is probably right. Not my type. No. Look at all these right here. Let's go back. I like these right here.